What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Nazor, and we back on our videos. Got them things out today. Got Scat, you know what I'm saying? Charger. Got them Camaros, the S's, not the little one. Two S's, not the regular one. But yeah, man, I'm just gonna get y'all a little POV of us driving today, you know what I'm saying? Us cutting up in the city. Something slight, you know, just chilling. I know y'all probably I ain't been dropping, so you know what I'm saying, I gotta come back with another thing, you know. We just finna get cut up through the city, and make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You know, turn the camera back on and we'll get back in the car. And this time I got like a little setup this time, so I got like a little POV of me like driving, so y'all can see like outside the car instead of me like holding it and shit. I got like a better angle. So alright, I'm turning the camera back on there, bro. Start driving. In the car now. Finna ready to cut up through traffic. Y'all already know it's finna have fun. Alright, but yeah, finna get ready to put it in this little thing so y'all get like a little PO. Oh yeah, check out the steering wheel, this Scat, you know what I'm saying? This her, not the little one. But yeah, I'm gonna put it up here. Damn. Yeah, my bad. But yeah, I'm gonna get it, cut up through traffic. I like holding it like this, but I like getting POVs. Fuck, I ran the red light. Them niggas ain't gonna make it. Fuck. Them niggas slow, bro. Back there. Going slow and shit. I'm supposed to be put up in, but I'm gonna put up in now. news today, boy. Right now. My shit is spinning. My shit was spinning. X's, bro, they just fucking like, bro, can't do that with them bitches, bro. Then I need some better tires. Listen to music. I'm just sitting there, bitch. I ain't got nobody to talk to. She must want to race. She edging up on side of me.
The traction off.
I ain't never slid her a Scat.
He said cut the
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
traction off, cuz.
You said it is off.
Alright. What if he hit me, bro? Boo!
Man, bro, come on, bro.
What I tell you, bro? What I tell you, bro? What I tell?
But man, bro, I just don't know how to slide, bro. Like that's not.
That was probably the best one you ever did.
That ain't sliding, bro. Sliding is like going in a circle and like doing that shit. Like I can't can't do that.
Boy,
Yeah, bro.
he was sliding that motherfucker.
I can't do that shit for
You gotta
nothing,
keep that
bro.
bitch in the steady mode.
Yeah, and I'm trying to do it, bro. Huh? No, bro, that ain't sliding, bro. Sliding is like... Alright, y'all, we got another location for the pull up. These man said he gonna slide. He said he's scared right here. Alright, we finna go there.
Are you
Then...
in your lunch mode?
Hell no. Oh, you wanna know how to do it?
I spend too much, it won't let me do it.
Yeah, be alright. We finna go there, then I'ma teach him how to slide that bitch.
Damn, bro.
So, man, we finna pull up to the spot and finna get ready to teach him how to slide this shit. Even though I honestly don't know how to, but I'm still learning. But I know how to make that motherfucker go in circles. So, yes, sir. They got them boys lined up. Yes, sir. Got them boys lined up. But yeah, finna get ready to go down here, dog. Better get out the road, dog. Ready to go down here. I'm gonna teach you how to slide it. Hey, come on. Why not? Bro, I'm telling you, bro, there's nothing to it, bro. You literally hitting the gas. My girl did it, bro. Come on now. My girl did it.
You can get the same talk to TJ, though.
Yeah, bro. Him too, bro. I got to. But yeah. Nigga. What you gonna do, bro? Oh, you drove out here for nothing, bro?
Hold on.
Look. This time put it in manual. One.
One.
Yeah.
All right, my traction out, bro.
And come like over here, so
My traction out, bro.
turn it off. Come over here.
Hold on.
And go that when you doing it, go that way. So before you start, do it like a little small burnout just so your tires can get to spinning. Put it in manual one. Put it in slide to M. Yeah, you in manual one, and then just burn out for a little minute, and then turn that bitch and tap the gas, and like burn out for a little minute, tap the gas, and then yeah.
The whole time, nigga?
Yeah, you basically just like practicing it, like hitting it. Like if you need to like go faster. Yo, that boy don't need that boy don't. Yo, that boy. He did do a little burn. But yeah, bro, just do it. Do a little. You did that, big car? I told you. This nigga funny. Hell yeah, you was sliding at me. Hey man, funny. I'm about to. They be hard. Alright, YouTube, it's your boy Nazar. I'm done. We done for today. We didn't do that. We didn't do everything. Thank everybody for here to take it in. I gotta drive my car. I gotta keep the tires, you know what I'm saying? But Yeah, I taught them boy how to slide the Scat, bro. Or I told them how to slide their car. They didn't know how to slide their car. I'm still learning how to do it. It's not that hard, bro. We can teach y'all. I mean, I can teach y'all how to do it verbally through the video, but that's it. But yeah, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. I'm trying to stay more consistent, but yeah, I'm trying to stay more consistent, man. It's hard, man. I be working, but I gotta stop making more excuses. I'm trying to do better and stop making excuses, because people work 40 hours a week and still make videos every day. So I gotta do better. I can't stop holding. I gotta start holding myself more accountable. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and more content coming.